Okay.
Dealing with Zen Windows and Dennis was very simple process, and it was actually very easy to get new windows into our house. We started by doing some online research and found a lot of positive reviews, and was very pleasantly surprised whenever I gave Dennis a call. He was very responsive to all of our questions and gave us a bid, and then was able to work with us to get what we needed and get into the price range that we needed. Then on installation day, everything went very smoothly, and the guys that came out were very nice to work with and very pleasant, and things just went really well. And now that we have our windows in, we have noticed a big difference in the sound and the temperature in our house, and it's just, they're very nice to have in, and we would definitely recommend and use them again.